If you love quick, crispy homemade pizza, this is going to be your new favorite recipe. Today, I am showing you how to make naan pizza in the air fryer. No oven, no dough, and it gets ready in 10 minutes. You will need naan, pizza sauce, mozzarella cheese, bell peppers, onion, paneer, or you can add your favorite toppings. Spread a thin layer of pizza sauce. Don't add too much. Add mozzarella cheese evenly. Now, add your toppings. Try not to overload the naan so it cooks evenly. Finish with oregano and chili flakes. Carefully place the naan pizza in the basket. Air fry for 5 to 7 minutes. If needed, cook 1 to 2 minutes. Every air fryer is different, so adjust the time if needed. Check after 5 minutes. Cheese should be melted, edges crispy, bottom lightly golden. Once done, carefully remove the naan pizza. Look at that cheese perfectly melted. The naan is crispy on the edges and soft inside. Please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Veg Kitchen for easy recipes.